French women only spend 5 minutes getting ready in their beauty routine, and yet they always look effortlessly radiant. Do you want to know the secret? Not more beauty products, but little beauty hacks. From mixing face cream with foundation, dabbing your lipstick as blush, these French beauty hacks prove that beauty isn't about perfection. So today's video, I'm going to show you the 10 French beauty hacks everyone should know. This one will transform your beauty routine. And the first French beauty hack everyone should know is the French blush trick. This is one of the most secretly way of wearing blush, and it looks incredibly natural. This is a little blush trick you will see on many French models and French actresses. The little trick, instead of placing blush right on the cheekbones, French women apply a soft wash of blush right under the eyes across the upper cheeks. On the right side, I apply blush the way most people do, right on the cheekbone, putting it upward toward the temples. It lifts the face, but it can sometimes look too done and too sculpted. Now, on the left side, I used the French blush trick, placing the blush just right under the eyes, blending softly across the upper cheek area, where you would naturally flush. The result, it looks much more natural, much more effortless. Let me show you how to do the French blush trick step by step. First, smile gently to find the upper apple of the cheek. Apply blush very softly right under the eye. Blend outward toward the temples, and you can carry a tiny bit across the bridge of the nose for a cold flush effect. The good news is that the French blush trick works with so many different blush, powder, and even cream. And the next French beauty hacks everyone should know is the French sun kiss effect. If you are on a rush and only have 5 minutes to get your makeup done, let me show you how to get the signature French sun kiss. This is one of my favorite French beauty hacks because instead of doing complicated contouring, you just need this technique. It's called the free bronzing technique. This is one of the most iconic bronzing motion technique created by Guerlain, the makeup artist from Guerlain in the 90s. Let me show you how to get the free bronzing technique. First, dip your brush into the bronzer and start at the forehead near the hairline. Sweep in a soft, free shape on each side of your face. Forehead, cheekbone, and jawline. Add a touch on the nose bridge for that natural sun kiss effect. And of course, when I want to give my skin an extra boost, that natural, luminous, healthy glow, I usually use a LED mask. And I've been using the Haloral LED mask for the past 2 months now, 3 times a week. It calms redness, boosts radiance, and it's a little spa moment at home. If you don't know Haloral, this is a skincare brand that sells innovative skincare devices at an affordable price. All the devices are vegan, cruelty-free, and many of them are also FDA clear. And the Haloral LED mask is one of my favorite ones. This is a bendable, portable LED mask equipped with 340 high intensity medical grade LED with an optimal radiance of 48 wavelengths. This is a professional mask that delivers professional results at home. It is clinically proven and FDA clear. What I absolutely love about it is how practical, versatile, and easy to use. You just have to put the eye protector, adjust the strap, and connect the power. The mask has 4 different modes. The red light to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and improve skin elasticity. The blue light that fights acne, inflammation, and even irritated skin. The yellow light to brighten skin complexion and fade dark spots. And the last one, the infrared light that penetrates deeply to promote cell regeneration and repair skin damage. You can use the infrared light mode in 3 different modes, red, blue, and yellow. So many of you keep asking about my beauty routine, which products I am using, what I am doing to my skin. So I really want to share with you this device in today's video because I've been using this mask for the past 2 months now, 3 times a week. I've been extremely consistent. Again, it's all about consistency when you use this type of device. And usually it really helps to clear my skin. Every time I have some kind of breakout or little acne, the blue light was extremely helpful. It also firmed my skin. I use the red light at least twice a week and I absolutely love the glow and the boost it gives to my skin. It really helped me to firm and smooth the skin. If you are interested to buy this LED mask, I absolutely love this one. It is FDA cleared, and what I love about this one is the price. It is much more affordable compared to other LED masks on the market. I do have an exclusive offer for you, especially for Black Friday, so do not forget to check below the video. I put the link and you can use also my promo code. The next French beauty hack is water mist or eau de beauté. Face water mist or eau de beauté in French is a fine water-based spray infused with skin-loving ingredients. Think thermal water, plant extracts, or even natural oils. It is extremely popular here in France and it is usually used to refresh, hydrate, and revive the skin without needing to touch your face. We usually use it before makeup, for example, to awake the skin and prep the skin, to fix makeup, after makeup, to blend powders, and even to give this glowy finish. And anytime during the day when you need to hydrate and soothe your skin. French women always keep a little bottle of face water mist in the bag and use it whenever the skin feels tired or dry. I personally use it as a way to refresh my makeup. This is one of my best French beauty hacks. If you don't have time to refresh or redo your makeup for a date or for a rendezvous after work, let's say, you can use it as a way to refresh your makeup. It gives this super nice, glowy, dewy effect on the skin. And the next best French beauty hack is the mascara lift effect. Have you ever noticed that French women don't like to overload their lashes? They prefer eyes that look open, flirty, elongated, never heavy or full of mascara. The secret, they only apply mascara to the outer half of the lashes instead of coating every lash from corner to corner. Let me show you how to do it. You can take your mascara and focus on the outer third of your lashes, brushing outward and slightly upward. You can add a second coat only at the tips, not at the roots. And the next French beauty hack everyone should know is to use lipstick as a blush. Let me show you how to save time and simplify your beauty routine. French women absolutely love this little shortcut because it is practical and easy. And many times when I used to travel, I used to forget my blush and all my makeup. So using lipstick as a blush really saved me. First, choose the right texture. Opt for creamy, satin, or even velvety matte lipstick. Anything too glossy will slide and anything too dry won't blend. About the colors, it really depends on your tone. If you are cooler or warm tone complexion, but usually French women absolutely love classic shade that blend and that enhance any skin tone. Rosewood, for example, coral, or even a berry tone are very popular. Dab a small amount on your ring fingers. Tap it into the uppers of your cheeks, then blend upward toward the temples. Don't swipe. The key is to press and blur for that skin, not makeup effect. Don't forget to apply a light touch of the same lipstick on your lips to create harmony and balance. And if you are a member of Chanel, I will show you my current French beauty routine for winter, my favorite French skincare and beauty products. So if you are not a member, this is the time for joining my membership in the channel. The next French beauty hack is to use dry shampoo for volume. This is one of my favorite French beauty hacks, especially if you have very thin or flat hair or if you are losing your hair. It can really save you. French women not only use dry shampoo to clean the hair, but also to create texture and volume. The secret is to slightly spray and mist through the length and under the crown, then massage with your finger to give instant body and texture. And the next best French beauty hack is the French concealer trick. French women rarely wear heavy foundation. They prefer let the real skin show. And something that is extremely trendy is also to skip completely the foundation, not wearing anything on the skin. Extremely trendy here in Paris. And I do have a little French beauty trick. If you want to skip foundation, you can use your concealer instead. Instead, they apply concealer on strategic area of the face where it truly matters. First, around the corner of the eyes to brighten the shadow. Around the nose to erase the redness, a dot on the chin, and on every small blemishes. And instead of blending it with a makeup tool, a sponge or a brush, for example, they would rather prefer to use the fingers because the warmth of the fingers makes the product disappear into the complexion, creating something much more natural. To finish, a mist of eau de beauté or drop of highlighter or face cream on top that give this hydrated, fresh, glowy finish. Remember that this little hack not only brightens but also balances the complexion without losing the skin's natural texture and life. And the next best French beauty hack is the blurred lip. French women rarely wear sharply defined, over-defined lips. Instead, they absolutely love this softly diffused, just kiss effect, like the color has melted into the lips. This creates a soft halo of color that makes the lip appear rounder and plumper. In fact, this is one of my favorite French beauty hacks to make my lips looking bigger without using fillers. How to do it? Apply lipstick with a fingertip. This is really the secret. Use your fingers and dab gently in the center of the lips. Blend outward, tapping toward the edges to blur the lines. For a softer finish, you can press your lips together or tap the edges with a tissue. And the next one is mixing face cream with foundation. Again, French women rarely wear heavy foundation that masks the natural skin texture. They prefer something that looks super natural and glowy with a dewy finish. And I have a French beauty hack to share with you, especially if you do have a heavy foundation, something that is probably too cakey, or if you have the wrong tone, the wrong shade of your foundation. The secret is to mix a drop of your favorite face cream with foundation, and you will see that it instantly transforms any foundation to a tinted moisturizer, giving a sheer coverage and a soft, hydrated glow. I love this French beauty hack because it evens out the complexion while still letting freckles, texture, and even real skin show through. We have a word for that. It gives this French bonhomie, we call bonhomie in French, without masking the skin. And the last French beauty hack is to use lip balm for the cheeks. French women rarely wear heavy shimmer and heavy highlighter. Instead, they prefer something that looks super natural, that catches the light naturally. And we do have a little French beauty hack. You can use your lip balm as an highlighter. Instead of keeping your lip balm just for the lips, you can put a tiny amount on the cheekbone, on the eyelid, and on the brow, to bring light and softness to the face. And that's it for today about the 10 French beauty hacks everyone should know that will transform your beauty routine Let me know what you think about this video. If you are a member, again, I do have a video bonus for you, where I show you more French beauty hack, my favorite skincare product, French skincare product, and my winter beauty routine. So if you're not a member, this is the time today to join membership. I show you exclusive content. Don't forget to follow this channel. Don't forget to activate the notification bell, because do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on my other social media. And I see you very soon for another one. Bye.